Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to set that language which you not translate on Telegram. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Telegram. Then you can see there are many options. Click on 3 vertical lines at top left corner. Then you can see Settings option. Click on it. Then scroll down. You can see the language option, click on it. Then click on Do Not Translate option. Then select any one language which you want not translate on. Telegram. Click on it. Finally guys, in this way you can easily set that language which you want not translate on Telegram.